My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser notifications associated with the website Se29.biz. Se29.biz is a misleading website that displays pop-ups trying to encourage people into clicking on a special allow button. In this particular version, the pop-up says you need to press allow to watch the video. If people do that by mistake, they may be redirected to some other malicious resources. Also, they may start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are normally not really decent. Sometimes they display pretty filthy content, not suitable for some categories of people, and often these ads may also point you to a lot of other shady and deceptive websites. So if you have clicked on allow, it was definitely a mistake, and it can be fixed by accessing the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this Se29.biz, make sure you remove it from the list. If you see any other junk sites, remove them too. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.